Hi everyone, my name is Brian, I'm the 3D print creator, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to get stuck filament out of your AMS from Bambu Labs. So I take this intro because I already made the video, but it needed an intro. So what happened was that some brittle PLA filament that I used, which was very old PLA filament, got stuck and broke on the inside of my AMS. Now, there are several videos who explain how you can get broken filament out of your AMS. Bambu Labs has got a great video and some other channels as well. But then again, when I did this, still I get the problem that my AMS says that slot 3 is still occupied with filament, while, well, there wasn't. And then I found that my filament was broken on a very particular place inside the AMS, and it was very difficult to get it out. At least that was what I thought. In the end it was very simple, and that's what I'm showing in this video. Take a look. I took my AMS apart, which is really simple. You only have to unscrew those two screws, which I now taped so they don't fall out. And you have to be very careful to get these two cables loose. But after that, it's very simple. And there are several good videos online that show you that then you can take your filament out. Like, for example, in my case, it's slot 3 that is jammed. And, well, I can just pull this and get my PTFE tube out. And normally, if you got a broken piece of filament, you'll be able to get it out from your PTFE tube here, or stick some filament in here and push it out that way. But sometimes that's not the case. And for example, here with my AMS, this is the problem. Now, if I take a close look, then I can see that over there, I have to take this one to the side. At the open slot here, you can see that the filament is stuck in there. So it's broken between here and the opening here where the PTFE tube goes in. So between here and here. And that's really a problem, because then it's stuck inside this system and your AMS will think that there is filament loaded in slot 3 in this case. Now, it's very easy to undo that without completely uninstalling this block. And the thing what you have to do is you just grab a piece of other filament, which is not brittle, by the way, because this filament was brittle and that was what caused the problem at first. And then you see this lever here, which you can press. And when you press it and you take some other filament and put it in from this side, you can push out the filament that got stuck here. And now I took it out. So that's the simple solution of getting your brittle, broken filament out of the AMS. And now, of course, you have to put back this system. You have to take the PTFE tube in again and bring this system back into the box, and then put everything together like the cables, etc., which is very simple. But this is where your filament can get stuck and where your AMS will tell you that there is an error for that specific slot, but in fact it's here and you can't undo it by pushing filament through the PTFE tube here. So as you saw, it was a very simple problem, and it was also a very simple solution, but you just have to know it. And well, that's what I was showing in this video. And if you liked it, well, please give this video a thumbs up. It would help my channel a lot. And I've been away for more than half a year now because I had some medical problems, but I'm back and I'm going to make a lot more videos. So I'll see you all later. Bye.